everyone, my name is Jevin Vyas. Today I'm gonna explain about the solar system. In our universe, one galaxy named Milky Way exists, and in our Milky Way galaxy, solar system exists. You can see Milky Way galaxy. This is our solar system. This is the big hot star Sun. The Sun is the main star of our solar system. Sun's radius is around 6 lakhs, and because of the Sun's gravity, all the planets moves in its orbit. And the Sun's real color is white, and the nearest planet to the Sun is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet of our solar system. Mercury's, you can see Mercury planet, and Mercury has no moons. Next comes Venus. Venus is the hottest planet of our solar system. Do you know why Mercury is the closest to the Sun, then why the Venus is hotter? Because Venus has its own energy that creates heatness, and the Venus atmosphere is so thick. That's why the heatness cannot get out from the Venus. And next comes the Earth. Earth is the only planet that the life is possible. Earth has everything, water, land, oxygen, hydrogen and everything. This is the moon. We mainly call it moon, but its name is Luna. And then comes Mars. Mars is a red planet of our solar system. Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos. They are mainly shaped as asteroids but not round. And the Mars is made up of hydrogen and carbon dioxide. And then comes the asteroid belt. Asteroid belt contains rocky objects. Only no orbits are in asteroid belt. Only one orbit is there, and the name that planet is Ceres. Ceres is a dwarf planet. And as in asteroid belt, one asteroid to another asteroid is 1 million kilometers far. And then comes the biggest planet of our solar system, Jupiter. Can you see this spot? This spot is the most big storm on Jupiter. And this is the four moons, the main moons, Galilean moons of Jupiter. Ganymede, Europa, Callisto and Io. This is the four main moons of Jupiter, and it is also called Galilean moons. And then comes Saturn. Saturn has the big rings. This is Saturn. Saturn has 274 moons, but this is the four main moons of Saturn. Saturn has these big rings because some of Saturn's moon destroyed and made these rings. First is Titan, then Rhea, then Dione and Lepidus. This is the main moons of Saturn. And then comes Uranus. Uranus is a cold planet of our solar system. Uranus has 28 moons, but there is the four main moons: Titania, Ebron, Umbriel and Ariel. And then comes the coldest planet of our solar system, Neptune. Neptune and Uranus is also called ice giants. And there is the four main moons of Neptune: Triton, Proteus, Nereid and Lycia. This is the four main moons of the Neptune. And then comes a planet, Pluto, a dwarf planet in Kuiper belt. Kuiper belt is same as asteroid belt. And let's talk about Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet, and Pluto was declared a dwarf planet in year 2006, and because of a planet is that has strong gravitational force and a perfect atmosphere, a perfect surface, but Pluto doesn't have that. That was the scientists declared Pluto as a dwarf planet. And this is the Kuiper belt. All the dwarf planets are mainly found in Kuiper belt. But the difference of asteroid belt and Kuiper belt is that the asteroid belt contains rocky objects and Kuiper belt contains icy objects. And then, do you know how many moons does each planet have? Mercury has no moons. Venus also have no moons. Earth have one moon. And Mars have 2 moons. Jupiter has 95 moons. Saturn has 274 moons. Uranus has 28 moons. And Neptune has 60 moons. Pluto has 1 moon, Saturn. So, thank you. Do you like this video? Then watch my next video and like, share and subscribe.